The camera sweeps over a sprawling industrial complex at dawn, where steam rises from towering stacks, and the hum of machinery echoes like a heartbeat. This is no ordinary factory. It's a cathedral of confection, where millions of ice cream sandwiches are born every day. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a process so precise, so mesmerizing. It transforms simple ingredients into a handheld masterpiece that stays perfectly intact. Even under the scorching summer sun, buckle up for an exclusive high-energy tour through the heart of a factory that churns out these frozen delights. With relentless efficiency and jaw-dropping ingenuity, you'll never look at an ice cream sandwich the same way again. We begin in the raw materials bay, where the air is thick with the sweet, creamy scent of fresh milk, arriving in gleaming stainless steel tankers. This isn't just any milk, it's sourced from local dairies, rigorously tested to ensure it's rich in fat and flavor. The foundation of that velvety ice cream core. Workers in pristine white suits move with purpose, connecting hoses and checking gauges as the milk flows into massive vats. The liquid churns gently, a shimmering white sea, as it's pasteurized at precise temperatures to eliminate bacteria while preserving its natural sweetness. But here's the surprising fact. The milk is blended with a touch of vanilla extract, even at this stage, infusing a subtle warmth that will carry through every bite. It's a small detail, but in a process this exacting, every nuance matters. As the milk transforms, we follow its journey into the homogenization chamber. Picture a high-pressure labyrinth, where the liquid is forced through microscopic nozzles, breaking fat molecules into uniform particles. This isn't just science, it's alchemy, ensuring the ice cream achieves that impossibly smooth, scoopable texture. A worker monitors a digital dashboard, tweaking settings to maintain a perfect 50% air incorporation. Too much, and the ice cream feels airy. Too little, and it's dense. Decades of research have honed this ratio, creating a texture that melts evenly on your tongue. The mixture swirls in gleaming tanks, a creamy vortex ready for its next evolution. Now, the scene shifts to a chilling spectacle. The liquid ice cream flows into a massive cooling drum, where it's churned at a frosty -10 degrees Celsius. The cold is so intense you can see wisps of vapor curling off the machinery, like a winter morning trapped indoors. This precise temperature keeps the ice cream firm enough to hold its shape, but soft enough to mold. A forming machine takes over, extruding the ice cream into flawless rectangular slabs with a satisfying whoosh. These slabs glide along a conveyor belt, their surfaces glistening under the factory's bright lights. It's hypnotic, like watching a river of frozen cream carve its path toward destiny. But an ice cream sandwich isn't complete without its signature wafers. We cut to a parallel production line, where the air hums with the warm, toasty aroma of baking. These aren't ordinary cookies, they're specially engineered chocolate wafers, designed to be soft yet crisp, with a textured underside that grips the ice cream like a gentle hug. Flour from soft wheat, sourced from the rolling fields of the Midwest, is mixed with cocoa and a hint of sugar in towering mixers. The dough is rolled into thin sheets, then stamped with precision cutters that imprint subtle ridges, ensuring each wafer is identical. As they bake on a continuous conveyor belt, passing through temperature zones that shift from searing heat to a gentle cool, the wafers emerge golden brown, their edges perfectly defined. A worker inspects a tray, snapping one in half to reveal its delicate cruncher sound that promises satisfaction in every bite. The assembly line is where the magic truly happens. Picture a ballet of robotic arms, moving with surgical precision as they align the ice cream slabs with the wafers. One arm places a wafer on the conveyor, another pipes a perfectly portioned ice cream rectangle, and a third caps it with a second wafer, pressing just enough to bond them without cracking. The synchronization is flawless, a symphony of metal and motion producing thousands of sandwiches per hour. Here's a fun fact. The wafers are slightly warmed before assembly, just enough to create a micro-melt that fuses them to the ice cream, ensuring they never slip apart, even during a messy bite. It's a detail most of us never notice, but it's why these treats hold together so well. The sandwiches now face their greatest test, the blast freezer. We zoom into a tunnel so cold it could rival an Arctic winter, operating at a bone-chilling -40 degrees Celsius. The sandwiches glide through on a conveyor, frost forming on their edges as they harden in minutes. This isn't just freezing, it's a technological marvel that locks in the ice cream's texture, ensuring it stays creamy rather than icy. The air is so cold it sparkles, and the sandwiches emerge rock solid, ready to withstand transport across continents. A worker in a thermal suit checks a sample, her breath visible as she confirms the perfect hardness. It's a moment of quiet pride in a process that never stops. Next, we dive into the packaging station, where speed and precision collide. The sandwiches zip along another conveyor, each one snatched by a robotic arm that wraps it in moisture-resistant film. The material is specially designed to prevent freezer burn, sealing in freshness for months. The machine folds and heat seals each package with a satisfying click, creating an airtight cocoon. Watching this, you can't help but marvel at the efficiency. Hundreds of sandwiches wrapped in seconds, each one pristine and ready for store shelves. A quality control worker scans a barcode, ensuring every package meets strict standards before it's boxed for shipping. But let's pause for a surprising twist. The ice cream in these sandwiches contains stabilizers, a secret weapon that slows melting even on the hottest days. These food-safe compounds, derived from natural sources like seaweed, create a molecular structure that holds the ice cream together, preventing that dreaded drip down your hand. It's a small but brilliant innovation, born from years of food science, ensuring your treat stays intact from the first bite to the last. As we watch a worker test a sandwich under a heat lamp, its structure holds firm, a testament to the engineering behind this simple pleasure. For a moment, let's step back and explore a variation: the chocolate-dipped ice cream sandwich. In a separate line, sandwiches are plunged into a vat of molten chocolate, formulated with extra cocoa butter to prevent cracking when it hits the frozen surface. The dip lasts exactly 3.2 seconds any longer, and the coating becomes too thick any shorter, and it's uneven. The sandwiches emerge glossy and irresistible, the chocolate hardening in a sleek freezing tunnel at -18 degrees Celsius. A worker inspects one, tapping it gently to produce a satisfying crack, revealing the perfect 2 millimeters thick coating. It's a sensory delight, designed to balance chocolate intensity with the creamy core. As we near the end of our tour, we linger on the final quality checks. Each sandwich is weighed, scanned, and visually inspected by a team trained to spot the tiniest flaws: a misaligned wafer, a smudge on the wrapper. Only the best make it through, destined for freezers in supermarkets, gas stations, and corner stores worldwide. The rejected ones, they're often donated to local food banks, a small but meaningful way factories give back. It's a reminder that even in this high-tech world, there's a human touch behind every treat. The camera pulls back, revealing the factory in full swing, conveyors humming, workers focused, and thousands of ice cream sandwiches streaming toward their final destination. This isn't just a production line. It's a testament to human ingenuity, blending science, engineering, and a dash of nostalgia to create a treat that sparks joy with every bite. From the creamy churn of the ice cream to the crisp snap of the wafer, every step is a carefully orchestrated dance, perfected over decades. So next time you unwrap an ice cream sandwich, take a moment to savor not just the taste, but the incredible journey it took to reach your hands. We wrap with a call to action. If this behind-the-scenes adventure blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most satisfying production processes. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite ice cream sandwich flavor, and what factory process do you want us to explore next? Until then, keep craving the extraordinary, and we'll see you in the next video.